Fixed headset mic not working in Windows 11. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and without further ado, let's begin. First, navigate to Windows search icon at bottom left corner of your screen and type in settings. Under this match, find app settings and click open at right side. Now, select privacy and security option from the left panel. Scroll down. Now look for the option of microphone. Open it. And here you need to toggle on the button for microphone access. Scroll down and you need to find out your application and enable the microphone access for your applications. The next method you can do is simply you need to go to the search icon at bottom left and type in control panel and click open once you find the application. From here, select the sound option and click on it. A window will appear where you simply need to right click on your speaker on the playback section and enable this speaker. After that, you simply need to click on it, open it, and a new window will open where you simply need to check the levels of your speaker and set it to 100%. After that, click on OK button and click OK to save the changes. By following this two method, you can easily fix headset microphone not working in Windows 11. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.